with you guys. I'm in East Oakland. I'm showing this duplex. It's listed at $825. It's behind me. Downstairs they're paying $1,600. Upstairs is vacant. Let's go take a look. East Oakland is not as bad as you think. It's actually on a 7,000 square foot lot. So you walk in here, I'm in East Oakland. As you can see, some of these houses over here, they're turning. So the neighborhood's gonna change eventually. Here's a 3-bed, 1-bath. I wanna say this property is about 1,800 square feet. Truly a 3-bed, 2-bath. They actually updated the bathrooms. They're not in bad condition at all. If you're running numbers on this unit, $5,000, put 20% down, around $165K. Your mortgage, tax, and insurance should be $5,000. $1,600 is the rent that you're receiving below. So if you offset that with a $5,000, you're more than likely gonna be paying a difference of $3,400, $3,500 to live in a 3-2 in the east of Oakland. Not bad, not a bad place at all. It's actually really big. 1,800 square feet. And a backyard space that's private to whoever this primary owner is that lives here. This is a good one. We're running the numbers. I got it right here. $4,904 is gonna be your monthly payment. That's if we're putting 20% down on $825K. You're gonna put down $165,000, you're gonna live here $3,400 out of pocket. Call Jerry. All right, we're here in Alameda. Now this is the downstairs unit. Floors. This was gonna need some TLC. You have this living room area, but it's a closet, so it feels like a room. You have the pocket doors here. You can do what you like with that. You may have to do a complete rehaul on this unit, but once it's rented out, it's lovely, and you're going to get minimum $3,000 for this unit. And the backyard space is beautiful. It's a multifamily, so you can live in one, you can rent out the other. If you're a developer, you have patient capital, maybe you can fix this up and do something with this area here. Not bad, but you probably want to rip this whole wall down right here, have it be open floor concept. As you can see, it's gonna need some TLC. So this is the outside here. So on Buena Vista, we're in central Alameda. You have 3-1 there, 3-1 down here. Up here, it's in better condition, but you're still gonna have to remodel this to a certain extent. But as you can see, it is roomy. One room up front. You have the living area, which I know is a bit confusing because you have the pocket doors leading there, but it can be reconfigured. You have this room, which is in the front as well. Kind of a random closet right here in the middle. These rooms feel very spacious. I know you're gonna have to probably touch the electrical in these units and the foundation, but once you get this asset stabilized in this city, you can't go wrong. You're gonna at least receive $6,000 minimum. $3,500 for both of these, $7,000 easy. On to the next multifamily. Another duplex. This one's listed for $765? $765, this right here. So this one has a new roof, new electrical, and they did the foundation. And if we're looking at the numbers, you wanna buy this one and rent it out, your mortgage is gonna probably be a little over $4,500. But when you look inside, you're gonna see that you can rent these out for $2,500 easily. This is beautiful. Again, this is West Oakland, 265. You enter one here, and you're one here. Let's go through this one. It has more than 2 bedrooms. It has a few, I wanna say, sitting rooms here. They did a really good job. The owner lived here. You can rent one of these out, live in one, multi-generational. Or if you guys are maybe newer to the market, maybe purchase this together. Live in one unit, rent out the other unit, but the rooms are a nice size. They have new windows. And this is what I love the most, the shared back door space. It's a vibe, you could say. Look at this. The wood, the house, fire pit, man, the art. There's one unit up there, there's one unit down there. I love it. Possibilities are endless. If you have questions, call Jerry. Upstairs is beautiful too, but we gotta go. On to the next look.